Testing. I'm gonna make sure that I'm not actually good at this time. It works. Nice. Test. Testing. You're creating my chat. Okay. So you're actually watching the stream. I'm change your music, guys. It's of this fun little game. Hehe. Right, so my agenda for today is actually get this thing to work. That's my agenda for today. So last I checked, the enemies weren't, it's not even doing anything. So, right now I'm just trying to get the attack thing to work. So, what better way than to, uh, hold on. Wait, so I have Lolo's thing. I have enemy party, so this one just spawns, when it's gonna, okay, hold on, I can't understand this shit. Okay, when it's ready, it just spits out enemy nodes. So there's an enemy index, so I'm just gonna add a little debug thing. What's it called again? Fuck. Oh, no. I'm gonna add a label. And I'll have it, yeah, display random shit. And then I'm gonna have it so that, it's get child get child dot text equals to, and so I'm gonna be getting from the global's enemy party, and then I'm gonna get the enemy index of the enemy party, so it's gonna give me this. And let me save it first. Oh, come on, wait. Invalid assignment or property of key text. Okay. Oh, I forgot to format it. Okay. There you go. That should work now. Yes. Indeed. Alright, now that there it is. Now I can see the stats. Whose child are you getting? Okay. Right, there you go. You have our stats, right? We could pick an enemy. But you really have to, like, yeah. So, these enemies, they're just gonna be displaying info. So, I'm gonna take a look on how this works, on this structure. So we have we have a member, that's the default member, then we have stats, and then there's these. So, it's something's, max, essence, development. Alright, so essence acts like HP of this world. It's like the HP. Yeah, this one is the stamina. In a way, looks like a JSON. It is a JSON file. Well, it's just a dictionary, though. Here's what you want to see, an actual JSON file. There you go. So this one is for files. This one is for archetypes. This one is battle data. Yeah, battle system data. Right, so we're gonna get the energy. No, not the energy. We're gonna get the essence. So if I'm gonna go here to the enemy object thing. I'm gonna declare this as enemy data equals you, and then I want to print out the dictionary, so we'll reference. Okay, ghost. I actually, who knows? Maybe it's a Python reference. Enemy data. Enemy. Baba ko na yan ah. Variable. Okay, I forgot to declare. So enemy data. And then we're gonna get the stats and the essence. Yeah, that's how it's gonna work. So when I go here, I'm gonna go here again. Alright, let's see. Alright, now that's supposedly their HP. Are you used to snake case? Uh, I mean, I kind of mix and match, but I try to keep consistency for my code. It hurts your eyes. Well, good. You program in Hakes, so doesn't matter. How do you code? What case do you use then? Right, so that's the enemy. I'm gonna check our thing again. Alright, so we have okay, HP frame. So enemy get child to get child, okay. So that'll be get child to dot get child 0. And then that'll be the XP bar. The HP bar actually. That'll be so we have value, right? You can adjust the value. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna set the value of this thing to you. There you go. Right. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little cool thing. I'm gonna check, make it display their name. So, yeah, they have their names and their archetypes and their inventory and equipment and description. So, for funsies, let's try the script. Let's try the description. And try default info and description. It's a petrol turned into monkey, indeed. And now you can kind of see their bars are full now, which means it's working. So, that's how they're gonna display their stats. And now obviously they look crammed, so either I'll space them apart, or I'm gonna have it not display all the health bars at the same time. So actually the bottom, where the black square would be, that's actually where I'm gonna display the description and all that stuff. And the I'm not sure about the HP though. Yeah, let's try getting attack mechanics out of the way. Let's see if it actually works. So, if you go back to globals, not only do you see an enemy party, there's also a player party, and they have their attack thing. So okay, now I just realized. Oh, that's a test member. So this one, yeah, I'm going to inflict normal attack on. Let's see. For now, I'm just no matter what attack, I'm just gonna inflict. So this is the arrows. Actually, it's not important. So here is what's happening. Is you have pattern logic. So it's gonna check for the combo of this one. So you'll see the sprint. It's gonna see your consistency from 0 to 10. So if I try, let's say I play this game, right? You can see at the bottom right, in the console, you know, it's kind of small. So, assuming, let's say I export this thing. And now I'm gonna check our exports. You. Right, now that's done. So if you go to console here, there you go. So when I do the sequence, I'm gonna alright, so my consistency is like 6 out of 10, which is kind of bad. So let's try again. Yeah, what's going on? Okay, what if I try attack? Let's see what happens. Wait, something's wrong. So what if you just blatantly press arrows in, it's gonna go negative actually. But that yeah. It's kind of bad, but like let me try again. Yes, I picked the wrong one. So depending on your attack and or depending on the sequence and whether or not you choose attack or defense, it's gonna do something different. So like, oh, defense, okay. I gotta click this on the right time, as you can see. No. Alright. So, and 7.2. So, I think I'm gonna add like some random number, like from negative to positive that increments on this accuracy factor. So like, yeah. This is A. Ah, yes, the letter A. So, yeah, this one is what I'm talking about. So, I'm gonna remove this because I don't need it. Baby boy. Shh. Right, so where were we? Right, yeah, so as you can see in the debug text, there's like it's gonna show some of these cryptic strings. So this is what it's supposed to be doing. You can see the pattern logic. So alright, now I'm gonna make a check. If it's not doing this, then it's gonna clear the result and then inflicted damage. That's gonna be true. No, false actually. No, pattern done. Oh, pattern done. That's it. That's our basic. Because like once again, this can be applied for not only attack but also for defense. So I'm going to make a check when it's not action sequence. I'm gonna check if pattern done or if not pattern done. So this is just a flag. So if it's not true, we just make it true. And then it'll just run once. Now that's the end of the code. So I'm gonna make sure it clears once, only once, yeah, for efficiency's sake. And then you have to inflict damage somehow. So we gotta print. We also check my variables again. So we have battle current. Oh, it's an integer. So what exactly is pattern current? Party, okay. So we see every instance of this variable word thing. So pattern combo divided by tot. Ah, yes. So I'm gonna add pattern consistency. And now I'm gonna start like at least studying these part right there. Okay, so skip delta. We don't need delta or underscore. Honestly, let's check what's going on. In the meantime, just for a quick break. Yeah, this world progress. Yeah, so this is another game that I'm gonna be working on um uh as a programmer.
I was sorry, gay. I'm sorry, gay.
So hey,
I did
no,
not
this is
remember it was 10. I was.
oh wait, let me oh sorry, my bad. Bro. Alright, so you're here now. Let
Yeah,
me
I'm here.
um, let me turn on OBS. Oh wait, that's on.
What the hell is that?
Okay. Yeah, you can see this, right? It's
Yeah.
flipped for some reason.
It's what?
Is it okay, why does it look flipped?
It does.
It looked okay. Huh? Off. On. Oh wait, no, I know why. Let me just live capture device. Wait, let me change the is there none? Can I just pick my microphone? That's it. Right there.
Oh, look at that
So,
small
hey,
orange.
hey, yeah,
Small orange.
I'm a PN YouTuber now. I'm kidding.
I don't know how to make this shit. Like, if
Like,
I
but
could,
like,
I would be OP.
my current stream agenda makeup is I'll be just finishing the battle system. So like, if you want to yap about the story, I mean, go ahead.
I think the battle system is fine. I like thinking about battle system,
All right. So right
but I
now,
did not
I'm just
research.
trying to right now I'm just trying to find a way to actually inflict damage or any sort of stat to the enemy. So where was I? Oh yeah, okay, but so when the pattern is not done, it's gonna run once, and then when I wanted to inflict damage once, so I'm gonna be accessing. Can I access globals? Globals. Okay, look. Let me try globals. Enemy party. So there's also a select variable that I forgot about somewhere. Okay, I forgot. Oh wait, no, it's probably here. So this is the select logic. So when uh select enemy.
How did
Oh, wait, my mind is hold on, my mind is broken right now. Enemy party. So let me check variables. Apparently, there's an enemy select. There is selected. Let me check. Enemy selected. I'm blind. Okay. Enemy selected. So this one's gonna be a float. So I'm gonna round it off. Yeah. So I'm gonna print this once. That is what it's gonna show me. So if I run the game, hi Kanj, I'm just gonna work on this combat system. Oh, that's a lot of things to print. Alright, so let me Division by 0. Oh fuck. No wonder. No wonder why it's broken. That's why I had that if statement right there. If tot is greater than 0, then I'm just gonna set the pattern consistency to that. Else, pattern consistency is equals to 0. It's like, that means there's nothing. There's nothing, there's nothing to be consistent in. So let me try that again. Right. This.
Why is it giving Parappa the Rapper?
Wait, really?
I see
Wait,
Parappa the
I don't even
Rapper.
heard of it. I don't even know. What do you mean?
I don't know, it just looks like a rhythm game to me.
Kinda does, but then again, there's no rhythm to
For Parappa the Rapper core, I'm sorry. I love Parappa the Rapper
How
though.
could you? How
It's
could
not
you?
that bad. It's
I
good.
mean,
Play it.
oh yeah, at least it's not Undertale.
Yeah. I mean, it's different. Very
It is, but
different.
like it's like similar. So apparently I printed a number somewhere. No, I have not. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna also print this text, haha, and then sort of do something funny when it's done. Supposedly, yeah. And by the way, if you haven't added your Twitch to your website, hmm, maybe. Oh yeah, I haven't. Alright, I'm gonna make an update on that later. It Alright, so it's not even doing anything.
Okay.
Oh wait, I know why. So pattern done should be false. Because like that's when it's the action sequence. So let me refresh. I keep restarting the game even though I know that godot kinda allows you to debug on the fly, so let me try this now. I'm not sure if Dan will be joining us in voice chat. This text, haha, and then there's the enemy. Okay, that's how we know it's gonna work. That's how we know it's working. Is that there's this. Not only the timing, I mean the game looks like another game I played before. Maybe. Kinda does, but then yeah. So the attack mechanic, let me go to my website again, check it out. Go software developer, pattern attack. This was just like a demo or back then, like to see how it would work in theory, or maybe how it would similarly work to the current battle system. If only it would load though. So I'm just gonna let that be. So yeah, now we have this cool game, right? Where the nodes are moving, but the thing you have a timing bar for this thing. Let me skip through. So the thing about this is that it can be different patterns. So like let's say I choose to attack instead of defend. I can just do this. And so the arrows thing, they'll check what the late what the last area they went into was, and based on this JSON data, like if you have this random numbers, it's based on the configure like the impact. So this one is like what points it's gonna add. So you have attack like 10 at the very most, right? And then you know the defend will be Yeah, like where it has to be precise at the middle. And then there's others like the bias, like how big or wide they are, and then there's color and palette. So palette is, well, yeah, that's just what the color looks like. So here it is. The let me, can I mute this? Let me mute this for a second. No, I don't consent because it's my own thing. So now we have this thing. So, oh yeah, arrows. Let me wait. Oh, so as you can see, basically it's kind of similar, except like you have enough time. So basically, what this is supposed to be is that it will measure like how well an average player would do on this. This is why I have a consent screen at the beginning, which is what I can use to adjust the difficulty of this one. All right, so let me yes, attack. Wait, no, that's defense. So let me go back to fight environment. So can I modify you? So I'm gonna declare a variable called uh target enemy close you. So wait, let me look at the structure again. So here's what an enemy or entity should look like. It has stats, it has default info, all the yada stuff. There's development, XP grade, energy, essence. So what I want to be modifying is essence, right? So so I'm gonna do target enemy in stats in essence, and then let's subtract by the pattern consistency, just as a test. Let's see if it actually works. Um, Based on Python, I feel like it should work, but something inside probably won't let it. So let's try. Huh? Hold on. Wait. Are they even being instantiated? So what if let's say one of them is the god or a test number, for example. Be interesting to see. Okay, that's weird. Um, hmm. Okay, let me search something. Godot duplicate variable. Wait, so we're gonna use a duplicate. Exactly. If I then modify A equals B, if I modify B, then A is also modified. What are you trying to exactly if it's an array? Or B duplicate if there you go. So let's see if this works. And to duplicate true in everything. The key. Because like this is data, but all the enemies are supposedly to be instantiated. We copy and code with this one exactly. Exactly. Even you can be a great game dev and you don't have to write original code. Look at Danny, for example. He's now dead. But kind of. Right, so supposedly I pick you. Alright, so the number is actually small, too small for me to check. So let me. I'm gonna increase the intensity of the gap. So let's say I make it 1.5. It's gonna make it wider. It's gonna be wider apart. That means I could easily differentiate. So let's say bash, and I defend. Well, it's attack, but yeah. Let's see. Alright, so I'm not sure if I actually inflict damage on something. Let's try you. What? Wait, the center one is being picked on. So I think I'm gonna add another debug text to my text. Okay. That's a lot of code to go through. Where are you? Oh, here we are. So, I'm gonna add another, thing called enemy selected. So, I'm gonna make globals dot enemy selected. That's it. And then I forgot to add format string. I'm probably gonna do the stream until like 12 or 1. So we know the index works. Oh. Now I know why. Now I know why it won't work. Now I know why it won't work. Because like it goes back to the center. And it's gonna select the in-between part and it rounds it off to the closest number. In this case, 4, because it's selecting 3.5. Okay, so we have stored select. I have no idea how to get that number out of you. It just knows it's there. The enemy group knows it's there. Well, I'm just gonna be lazy and just make another variable called enemy selected too. No, I'm kidding. Okay, true enemy. And that's the actual truly selected. It's like a buffer or something. Selected. Yeah, no, okay, so it's gonna be integer, or no, just float. Float's fine. It's like it's basically the same thing. So this one is going to be modified by the enemy group. So a true enemy selected, stored select. So that's how it's gonna work. I think I'm gonna duplicate. No, I'm kidding. Maybe should I do the duplicate? It's data. It's gonna work itself out. So I'm gonna be printing this. Let's see if it actually works. Like when I'm done selecting an enemy, it should stay the same number. So let me replace this one. Oh, she's just there. She's just chilling in the PC. Alright, so now, let's say select the first enemy. Now I do this cool little combo thing. So now if you look... Wait, no, I have to actually double check. 0. 0. So... Oh yeah! Wait, I have... So, the only thing they changed is this. It should also be changing... you. There we go. Now it's in, hopefully it's gonna work. Right, if it doesn't work, I swear. I have no idea what I selected, but okay, that's probably first enemy. So now, there you go, you can see that the damage has been inflicted on that one. So let's say I want to inflict damage on you. There we go. Now we're actually changing the stats of them. So, let me... Actually, I'm gonna fix something. So this bar, max value... is this one? Max value, okay. So, in case they have, like, bigger XP numbers and such, I'm gonna make it so that... yeah, it's gonna be the same thing except it's max value. And it'll be max essence instead. So let's say I set the... let's say I set the essence to 10, max essence to 10. And then we play it. Oh, okay. My bad. Oh, now you can see just how much damage they took. That's a lot. Right, so now the one thing I want to do is refine the stats. Like, okay, I'm not gonna have these XP bars above them all the time. I'm probably gonna have them elsewhere, or maybe just smaller works. Like, it doesn't have to be big. Like, look how big it is. The base, right? This is the UI texture atlas. So here is the HP bars. This one's for the player. Boom. So yeah, like I said, I'll be making them smaller. So like, how should I do that? So let's say I erase this part. Like, okay, let's shave it off first. Now I'm gonna shrink it down even further. I think width is also an important thing to consider. So there you go. Smaller. Smaller, the smaller the better. I think. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna look, but I'm just gonna see. Right, so I think I'm at least gonna have a copy of this. You know, I'm gonna keep this around. Yeah. Now I can just change the atlas location. So there you go. Oh wait, let me export it first. Hmm. So now I'm just gonna edit the region for this. So let's say U, and then I shrink it down properly. It's like I said. So now it looks smaller, right? So now there you go. See, look. Now it can easily fit at least a bit better on our enemy. See? And now it doesn't have to be so cramped anymore. So when I run this thing, maybe I could have like HP bars at the top or something. So there you go, smaller HP bars. So I actually want to take a look at a different game for a while and see how they do it. Cause like, um, it's a cool game called NFG, No Spine game. This game was made by a friend of a friend, and they passed it down to that friend they talked about. So let's say I continue. So this part's actually the tutorial. So there you go, we got cool stuff. Yeah, I get it. Very quickly. So there we go. Just 3 buttons, very simplistic. You can't dash. Nah. I don't understand how that would work though. So this one, it kind of has a bullet hell element to it, just like Undertale, in a way. So like yeah, there you go. So this one is how you attack an enemy. Oh, frick off. So, oh, they faded. And it's like a standalone thing, there's no order around it. Okay, so, let me take some notes on that. How do you exit the game? I wonder. Wait. Help. I can't wait. Close window. Okay, good. They should really make it so that you can actually exit the window. ChatGPT. Okay. So, taking a look at our enemy design, I don't think I would have this bar thing. Where did it go? Huh. Huh! What? If I move it to the enemy, it's gonna break. Why? That's weird. Hmm. Huh? Maybe I could change the textures. I don't know where I got this, though. Load resource. Oh! Okay, let me open my assets folder real quick. Where would they be? Music sound. User interface. Oh, UI. So, these are the ones I'm looking for. So let me... There you go. Here you go. I'm gonna call it gray under. And then gray over. Let me open the both of you in a sprite. This one should be over. This one should be under. Save. And now we can change the under texture into something else. Like you. Gray under. I should probably change the... What if I don't have this red thing, this green border thing? Red is a better indicator for HP though, so I think I'm also gonna make a red indicator, so let me make that real quick. Oh. Make that red over. And I'm gonna drag you into it, a sprite. So it should be red. This should be red. I'm gonna take the palette here. Speed for red over. And this one for under. And then the darker colors right next to it are either undertones or alternate hues. So let's save that. Close. Let's see. Yeah. 3 important assets. So I'm gonna drag you here. Oh wait, no, my bad. HP bar. Expand. But where do we expand? So that's why I need like a container. Or maybe just a minimum. Wait, can I set the size though? Transform. Oh, I can. So let's say make it 15 by 15. Wait, is that seriously the under asset? It's like if I make it gray over. Huh. Okay, that actually looks kind of weird. But okay. Nothing to complain about, right? When you're only making a game. So I think, what's the scale of this sprite? 4. So we're gonna scale this one by 4 as well. It's gonna be so big, so let's fix that. So how big is our sprite? So it should reach here, which is somewhere down there. And then just raise it up. Seems legit. Okay, so now I'm gonna edit some code just to make sure it actually works with it now. Oh wait, okay, my bad. Let's try that again. Properly. Okay. So we have full HP right now. Let's say I attack you. Boom, bow, pound, pound, boom. And then, boom. Did you look at that damage? Hmm. So what if I'm gonna try crunching them together again? Okay, say 1. Intensity is 1. Yeah, their HP bars are kind of too long for my likings. Let me make them like 24 and then try to center them. Yep, that's about right. Except, let me check the UI for. Right, so that's supposed to be the essence, your blue stuff. So what do we need blue? So let me try to see what it looks like. Blue is not a conventional color for XP. Not for HP. It's not a conventional color for health. It's in the opposite direction. See, now it kind of looks weird with the blue color. So like, do. But I'm using this only because this game is gonna work differently with how we're gonna go about HP in terms of the writing. Kudro, okay. Why is her angry? Uh, oh wait, no, never mind. It's just a okay glitch error. Let me see. Okay, let me. Okay. So I don't think we need this text anymore. We can just ignore that. Hide. And for this thing, I think we could just lower the hue. Is there transparency? No, I have to. Okay, no, I actually have to modulate this whole thing. So, no worries. I could just get child 2 and send to dot. Okay. Yeah, modulate, yeah. Equals color. Then 111 and then some number here. So I'm gonna be making a variable. So trans equals 0. So transparency ease. So I'm gonna add that by if selected. So I need to actually check if it's being selected right now. Which is you. So if selected, then transparency ease plus equals delta times 2. And otherwise, subtract the same way. Delta. So you're gonna use that word now. So we have to make sure if it doesn't if it exceeds the number. If it's less than 1, yeah, just do your thing. Go ahead. And then same for here. So but else I'm just gonna set transparency ease to 1 for here and 0 for here. So if we're gonna go here now, let's see how it works. If it works. Wait, my bad. Let me check. It said works, but the only thing is that it's kind of slow. So thanks to Godot, we can modify that really quickly. So let's say let's play that before. I'm gonna there you go. There you go. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So I also think it shouldn't be fully dark. So let's say I set it to 1, and then I'm gonna wait, not 1. If transparency less than like 0.2 for example, then I could just there we go. Now that looks cool. Okay. I could set it dark, bit more transparent maybe, like here. So I think the one thing I'm going to change is true enemy selected. There we go. Because that is gonna be wait, wait, and I'm also gonna look into wait, no. Get parent. Wait, and hold on. Get parent dot get parent. So here's how the structure works. This is the enemy group script. It's going to add a child to itself. So ignore the UI bits. Let's close that. So we have enemy group, which is a child, and then it's gonna make more child nodes. So therefore, we're just gonna get the grandfather, which is the fight environment. This is a grandparent. Let me think for a second. We're trying to get, check for the battle subturn if it's either action sequence or select enemy. So that is what I'm going to do. Battle subturn equal in actually I'm just gonna make a list inside, and then it can have 2 strings, and then it's gonna check if has. You know, so action sequence and select enemy. That's gonna be the thing. That is our determining factor. Because later on, it's gonna want to select. So you can see that actually works now. We got HP bars. All right, so with that out of the way, I feel like we should be able to start working on the enemy logic. But like first things first, I have to make sure that defense actually works. And with that, I'm gonna add another stat. Uh, hold on real quick. Alright, so where was I? Yes. I feel like they should have defense or mm, def defense divider multiply. Oh wait, defense. Okay, so I'm just gonna call it def multiplier and set it to 1. And I'll play the same thing for this one. So I'm thinking I want to temporarily set this defense multiplier to like slightly like increase. Like it's gonna take less. Like even if the enemy is gonna attack you, then you're gonna take on less damage. Is how it should work. Like a guard. It's like guarding or something. So this as for bash, I don't think you're supposed to pick uh whether or not you're gonna attack or defend, because obviously you're gonna be attacking. So unbash select. I'm gonna where is it? Close action, close action. I'm gonna have you select the enemy automatically. So unbash. Oh yeah, so I gotta yeah. There we go. Select enemy. So it's gonna automatically open up the enemy thing. Let's see. Oh, now okay, now it works. So unlike, let's say I select power, and then you select your enemy, in Bash, you just select the enemy, and then I can just do cool moves in this way. Very cool. Hmm. So, next thing I'll be doing is I'll be displaying stats at the bottom, so at least you can like see the enemies and such, you know. So this black box, what is it? Why is it there? What's its purpose? So I'm gonna hide the timing. So that's actually the timing. So Action has their own separate script for this. So uh how many grandparents have to go through for this? Parent, 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 parent. So can you just get the root node to go get root node? Exactly, get parent until you reach the root node. Get tree.root child. current scene. This one works. So, um, that's our current scene, assuming fight environment, right? And then, once again, we're gonna do another check on the battle turn, because that is very important. Equals A. I'm just putting a random number. Okay. So this, I want to set a modulate the cell get child 0. This is basically the timing, or like yung like this one. So this whole little color amaze balls things. Yeah. So that's the timing. So I'm gonna be changing their modulate value. So like I could also like make it transparent. Boom, you won't even know it's there. So I'm gonna add another variable. Transparency ease. It's like a universal variable now for doing this. I also have the copy from this one too. Yeah. It's this thing's fault. Okay, when it's let me skip through forward for that. So this one's just a pattern. It's gonna I think it's only in the action sequence that we really need it, so and then we're not gonna talk about this one because this one is for instantiated scenes. And now all we have to do is get child 0 equals to color. Get child 0 dot modulate equals color 111 transparency ease, and this time it's actually gonna be 0 all the way, because we know it's not always gonna be there. Also, gonna fix that one. Where's okay, Godot, come on, you can do it. Okay, good. Okay. Hey, there you go. Now it's gone, but I pick this one, and then boom, ow. And then it's gone now. Took power, and then stats go here, and then there you go. So that's action, right? Let's say I hide this. I'm gonna add label. I'm gonna add a label to it, where it's gonna fill the whole thing up, I guess. Hold on, what's wrong with you? I'm gonna override the font so that it behaves properly. Let's say mono, or whatever text we're using for this one. What are we using? We're using mono, so we can use mono as well for this one. Mono space. And now I can like just make it smaller. I just don't see. Oh yeah. Oh, you can also change the font size. So now I think, yeah. Let me type some text. Hi, this enemy dog GG easy. Well, all the cool stuff in it. Exactly. And then it's gonna like auto wrap. Word smart. It's like it's gonna wrap around the text now. But also I'm going to need to like clip text so I can at least like make it smaller. There you go. Cause like I don't need everything. to be. I just need like the very least of things. I'm gonna have text display, right? So right, so now you can see you have enemy text at bottom. So what this means now, I could add text. I could make it display whatever I want. Let's say I want it to display. Actually, let me name this first, and I'll call it uh info. Just call it info. That'll be child index 1 in this case. So let me go here. So now we're gonna go back to you, because like I have your text thing here for a reason. Enemy data, blah 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 blah. So copy paste, easy. I just paste it in here. Get child. I don't need this one. This one is XP HP info stuff. Obviously, there's no child 3. And also, this one is not supposed to be here. And instead of enemy index, we're gonna get global dot true enemy selected for this one. Enemy data default info description. So yeah, once again, this is gonna be supposed to be 1, and then we're gonna have an entire format around enemy data. So let's start with the basics. I'm gonna have it single quotes or maybe triple quotes. Right? Yeah, that works actually. So let's say faux. No, not faux. I'm just gonna have it single quote. And then it's gonna be an S string. And then I have other stats. Then another S string for the description. And then we're gonna have it display the stats. So like let's say there are Homo sapiens sentientis sub archetype. So they're gonna have archetype S string, and then we're also gonna display their stats like their health, their stamina, their attack. So I'm gonna and also like what items they're holding. Holding an S string and string. So, alright, stats, February. XP grade. Right, let me figure it out. Right. Crit, death, normal. Alright, so this will be the basis of our text. So I'm gonna format this into a long. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 enemy data. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna get started with this one. My copy 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna figure out which one belongs to default info. Like this one, default info. Default info, default. Skip, 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 skip. Then these three, and then their stats. So default info, let's start with name, description, archetype. Name. Oh yeah, there's also left and right equipment. Okay, so the thing about equip is that if we go to this thing, what is this actually doing? New item amount. Different kind of means. So basically, you just have to display how they're, I don't know. Question is, how did I even display the inventory in the first place? So we have inventory, we have item dot name. Oh, that's it. Item dot name. So we just add a dot name, and that's our. Yeah. Now for our stats, we're gonna have energy out of max energy. Then attack. So that will be normal and special. So default info. So this one's gonna be the archetypes. Archetype. So this one is this one. These three. And the last two would be development. So that would be. I have no idea what XP grade is actually. Should add XP grade. So now let's see how this would look like when you're gonna try and display an enemy and their data. Oh no! It doesn't completely fit. Yikes. Also, the text here is going to be dark. Yeah, cause like, yeah, maybe I should try like just a normal font. Never mind. Yeah, forget about it. I'm not using this font. Okay. So our issue now. Let's see 2.5. What's gonna happen? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh man. Okay, so this means I would probably have to. I could just. No, that's a bit disingenuous though. If I make it smaller like this, it's a bit disingenuous. So right, so I would probably need a bigger space. And that means we're gonna dive down into the deep codes of fight environment just again. So look at this. Let me try and figure out what to do. Position. So let me just decrement, make it 3, 5, and set the position greater than it should be. So like let's say 80 here. Maybe, maybe. Who knows? It's not gonna work. Okay, just a precaution. I think I'm gonna make it wider. I'm gonna make it wider. There we go. Let's see. Oh wait, no, hold on. No, I'm gonna make it smaller. Here we go. It shouldn't work now. No, it did not do anything. Maybe if it was more impactful. Okay, do I have to restart the game? Maybe it's because of the size. Let's add 20 to that, so that'll be 254 instead of 234. Let's see what's gonna happen. Finally! Results! Something that removed by 10. Just become 60. Oh, come on. Look, it looks like it fits perfectly. I still think I have to make it taller though. Hmm. Would it even hurt to do that? No, it wouldn't. Maybe I should, like, remove some text. That may be unnecessary. Like, hmm. Yeah, let's just acronize. Yeah, that's probably gonna help. Right, I think I'm gonna organize this, where attack and defense are now at the same thing. And these garbled of strings is gonna be right here. So that means name description, these things are now here. Then energy, attack, and development. So basically the same thing. Yeah. There you go. Okay, let's see if that actually works. Okay, now that looks more organized. What if... Oh, that's beautiful. It's actually beautiful. That's actually beautiful. That's actually... So what if I... Oh, god dang it. God dang it. Wait, I'm just gonna wait for it to finish. Okay, let's say power. Alright, so I hid timing, right? Then there I have to do the same for info. So welcome to my world. Okay. It's just the same thing, but in reverse. Negative plus 1. And then all of your zeros. It's probably gonna work, right? Yeah, it's probably gonna work. It's totally gonna work. It's totally gonna work, guys. It works! Okay, so now I think I think you should delay the fade out for this thing. Yeah, like, yeah. So we're gonna go back to the enemy group object. So it's being modulated by transparent ease. So So if not selected, so like I think I'm gonna wait their uh fade out timer. So what it's gonna do is fade out timer plus equals delta. So delta is like it's gonna otherwise it's gonna be 0. So let me do that here. Fade out timer equals 0. So if fade out timer is greater than, let's say, we wait for half a second, so or maybe just a full second, and that's when we're gonna start fading out the progress bar. So let's see what happens when yeah. Oh, now that's an issue. Hold on. So you should also add the OR condition that states if select enemy. Or wait, hold on. Let me check the state because like there's gonna be like a phase when it's done. So let me find a string for that phase. So let's say I pick you. Blah 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 blah. Close action. Okay. So I'm also gonna check if it's not equals to close action. And now let's see if it works. Just one tiny detail. The amount of code just for one tiny detail. Would you imagine? Yep, okay. Now, you can see now it's working smoothly, as intended, so... So, now, you can attack enemies now. But what should happen right after is that it's gonna go to the next player. So, fire environment, okay, next turn. It's gonna run next turn on the next player. So let's say, wait, no, it's down here. So like I said, this this runs once, and it's gonna clear the result, and then when it's done, the next turn. Simple. That is how it's supposed to work. So the inventory is gonna show the name of the current, because like each party member has their own inventory. So let's say pad repeaters, it's gonna say that. That's weird. Hold on. Pad repeaters, yeah, and then let's say power. Let's see power, and then I attack this one. And so now it should be party member 1 or the god. Now let's bash you, for example. So like do. So now it's gonna go to the next turn. Now it's this guy's turn. Okay. So I think for now, I think I'm done for today or for the stream. So next time, we'll be going into the overworld for once, which is just plain math. We'll be working on refining this and making it actually look good, and perhaps some refining to our players. So check your stream time. Oh, it's 1 hour and 42 minutes. Oh, maybe I should keep going a bit further. I just add a few more things until I'm over with it. This which is the friend who's working on Neil's Fine Game. Yeah, he helped me with some testing for the battle system, and so did T-Bar, who's like, yeah, I already sent them the file. 19 megabytes. This is 2 hours. What about 80 MB? Okay, Ghost. Right, so in the meantime, I'll be checking on other servers, see how they're doing. So, this is project. So, let me talk about No's Fine Game for a second. Suggestions. Yeah, suggestions. Hold on. So this one, No's Fine Game. If I remember correctly, it used to be owned. It used to be owned by this guy. Like, he's the one who's working on this game until they passed it on to Dizzy Off. So let me open No's Fine Game Jolt. Let me open their Game Jolt page. So as you can see, yeah, both names are there. This one is the original. Oh, shut up. Alright, so this one was yeah, this is the one they made. And now it's dead. It's kind of dead now. Final devlog. Yep. As you can see, yeah, they kind of stopped working on it. Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of like built to ruin. Yeah. This concludes my 12 paragraph long essay. Noodles Fine Game meant a lot to me, blah blah blah. Yeah, this game had a lot of following. Well, relative to other games. Like, to our small little game dev community, this one had some amount of following. And then, yeah, there's Dizzy on. So, now, they're working on it. Again. This game is originally by Steelmatic, and they gave them ownership. So currently they are reworking on. They're reworking the engine because it was such a buggy mess. I just realized, because like this shows me how the game works sometimes, and and we both realized. Oh, hey, Conch, right there. He's right there. So I do have a Discord server. Oh, she needs to meet. Alright. Oh, but yeah, this is my little corner of the internet. I post updates and such, even music sometimes. You have other things like art, music, drawings that they made. and also like other cool shit. Yeah, there's lots of things going on here. So I don't know if I would ever make a devlog, like a proper edited devlog, but by the time I think it's ready, I think I'm ready to. I think I would be ready to make a video about this game. But for now, most of the videos I'm gonna be uploading is gonna go to my game dev channel. So that'll be. Let me go to YouTube first. Hey, so this is my channel. Yeah, there you go. That's the live stream. Let me go to channels. This one. I upload here and there little things, but most of it is random game dev or programming stuff. Like this one, my old platformer project called 24 Colors, which is basically a ripoff of this other game called Letter V 6 times. So this game is basically a platformer, funny platformer, except you flip gravity instead of jumping. And then I remade it again, where instead of flipping, it's just jumping again. And ever long since it's dead, it's gone. I've made like I've made like a final update for the year for the legacy version. Here you go, game dev. So now back to me, to this whole thing. I guess we're kind of done. But what I wanna do, what if I, hold on, I think I should add like equipment. Like, maybe I should extend this a bit down further. Yeah, let it be 6 times, yeah. Where's the content? There's list 1, list 2, and then I feel like how did this work? Yeah, I think I'm gonna increase the layout size. I'm gonna. How did I do that? Hold on. Great, so I'll expand. So I think I should make this one a bit taller. So I think that relies on spacers to be taller. So let's make them like tiny. Yeah. And then I somehow need to like highlight a certain part. So what if I copy you, duplicate you, and then put you down here? No. Wait, let me move you up here instead. Yeah, kind of like that. And then let's move this around. So let me fix around this one. It's not going to expand anymore. This one will. Right, so this one is going to. Oh god! Oh crap! Okay. Let's see if it's fixed. And then we're gonna fix this too. Yeah, now it's fixed. Yep, totally fixed, guys. So this one, Eclipse, I don't know who gives a who gives a damn. I think I'm gonna have this split as well. So like there's title 1, title 2. And now, of course, both of these will be clipped to fit the box. So where's the middle point of this one? So to be here. Right. So it's around right there. I'm gonna put this around here. Now I'm gonna do the same for you. Alright. Equip bunny 1 and then equip bunny 2. There you go. And then I'm gonna have like left this one to the right. Yeah. So what would this look like if I were to run it? So we open bag. Oh, contents. Yeah, I forgot. There's a naming scheme going on around these notes. Yeah, let me fix that. And now you can see we have our equips at the bottom, and I'm gonna make it late. I'm gonna fix it later so that you know. I'm gonna add inventory behavior within the week, so that's gonna be like an off-cam thing. But for now, we're done. We have battle works. We have battle things sorted out already. Boom. Yeah, we gotta have this done already. There's some things to work out though. So I think I'll see you next week. I'm gonna see you guys. Yeah, it's 12 noon where I'm at right now. Probably you guys are asleep in other parts of the world. I got other school things to do. Yeah. So I'll see you guys like. Oh, you're 1 hour behind me. Right. So I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully I don't miss streaming again, or that's gonna be like an L move. So I expect me to stream next week around Saturday in the morning, hopefully. If I don't stream on Saturday, expect me Sunday, and if I don't stream Sunday, that probably means I'm very busy by that time. Right. By then. Right, see you. Bye.